making this video. We just finished up breakfast. You said it was Johnson Creek?
Johnson Creek.
Went to a place called the Pine Cone Restaurant. And as soon as you walked in, you were greeted with a smile. We kind of knew, I mean, there were so many trucks there. Just must have stayed overnight. And we filled up the box truck, got some diesel, and got 3 corned beef hash breakfast. And I got to tell you what, even a little bit of bacon, it was excellent. And I was so happy with breakfast that I was actually in the back of the, what do you call this, a jumper cab or something? And you have to open the front door to let the person in the back out. I made Fred let me out. He had to let me out. So he had to open his door. It was, needless to say, effort to go back in and tell him how good it was. So I also was able to purchase this handy dandy headset. I was staring through the glass. They had it all in lockdown. And this is a blue Parrot 450. It's an XT, correct?
It is an XT.
So this video, just a shout out to David Bailey. That I've been looking for a good headset. I've tried earbuds, but those darn things, you gotta shove them just about to your eardrums so you can see. But yeah, I wanted to make this video for 2 reasons. One, I feel like a real trucker now.
Trucker tread.
Yep, I got my nice headset. The ladies, I am taking. I talked to my wife this morning, so I know this headset. It's a nice accessory. But yeah, we're cruising. We're heading up to get our box truck or our steam kettles, and yeah, so that's our update from this morning.